It's going to be a Litecoin update. We provided this one yesterday at around 1 o'clock. This was in the live stream. And when the price was coming up here, I went ahead and entered this trade. Granted, it was high leverage, but very tight stop loss. And of course, I do multiple entries. Now with this one, I did give a setup for a lower stop loss, lower leverage, of course. But here, the main thing about this video, what I want to show is the price action and the movement based off of what I think might happen. I don't know what will happen. If I did, I would be a multi-millionaire. And I want to show you that I am not a replay millionaire. There's a lot of mentors out there that'll show you how to trade because everything already happened. Oh, well, look right here. It bounced off of this SMA, or look, here's the point of control. It lost it. So you want to short. And it's really easy to do that. It's pretty difficult to trade in the moment. So we saw the break of this. We went ahead and entered the trade. I believe the price action was about here-ish, between here and here, price action was. And we entered because it broke this level. Went to the trade. I came down a little bit, came up. Now, when the price was here, I'm thinking, this is probably when I actually charted it out, and then here's where I actually entered. But I'm thinking the price is going to come up to about this level. Price did come down first and then come up to about this level. I was off by a little. Probably come down, and look where it came down to. I mean, I can't make this stuff up. Came down right to this. You see where my pivot is? Look at where the wick is. Just right on it. So I'm thinking it might come down to around this level. Sure enough, it did come down to around this level. Then possibly come up to around this level. This is why I love my zones. Sure enough, came up to right around this level. Then I'm thinking it's going to come down to right around this level. Sure enough, came right around down to this level, and then possibly come up into this zone again before it breaks up. Now, it did re-enter the zone, but it went to the halfway mark of this zone. So if we do this, we go to the settings, we go to style, we go midline, come over here. Look at this, just beautiful, right to the midline of this. And then it came down. So what I was looking at, or for, was it for it to come down and then come up to around here and break out. So even though I'm not doing all the ups and downs, because there's several ups and downs in here, I'm just doing the basic movement. Now, I was thinking that we're going to come up and come down. We came up to the midway point, came down, and then now I'm thinking it's going to shoot up. But it didn't. So again, this is why I'm not a multimillionaire or even a millionaire with only trading. Will I become that with my group? Sure, why not? Everybody else does. However, like I mentioned before, mark these words, I will be like the Mr. Beast of crypto. I will be giving out, because, I mean, really, how much money do you need? I mean, just think about it. Now, if you want to join my group, of course, here's the information. This is for a yearly service. You get the 1 month extra for free. I give you exact prices when to enter, when to move your stop loss, profits, detailed training videos. I give you all this stuff. Plus you have access to me almost 24/7. Now, granted, do we win all of our trades? Nope, we sure don't. But when we do pretty nicely. And we don't enter a lot of trades either. That's one of the biggest things about this group. One, you have access to me. And not only that, but all of the mentors that I have, I'm sorry, not mentors. Well, I mean, they kind of are, but all the very, very talented admins. Not only that, but also the other members in the group. Now, it did come down, and now it's coming up. And if we extend this over, look at that. I mean, this is just beautiful. Now, I'm not in this trade anymore because we did enter better trades, in my opinion. And we are currently in a few of them that we entered. I believe it was the day before yesterday. I think it was like 1 or 2 we entered yesterday. Day before yesterday. Yesterday we entered, I believe, 3. And then today I posted, I believe, 1 or 2. So for total, we have 6. And that's nothing compared to other groups. Other groups, they'll post 10, 15 charts a day. I mean, just figure if it's 10 charts a day, 7 days a week, that's 70 charts. Whenever we post results, That's because we're in them. Not because we can just, anybody can post charts. I mean, shoot, I can post 20 charts a day. And then what they do though, here's the trick, guys. It's a numbers game. It's a trick. It's a numbers game. They post, let's just say minimum 10 charts a day, 70 a week. They show on YouTube, there maybe 7 or 8, maybe even 10 charts that did really, really well. But what about all the other 60 that didn't? They are literally, they are wrecking their members. We don't do that in our group. Now, granted, do you need to join my group to be successful? Nope, sure don't. Tune in every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. Ask me questions, ask me for charts. I will give you setups. I will give you my thought process of where I think it might move to. And then, of course, well, if it does, we're in gains. None of this is financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes. Once again, I am not a hindsight hustler. I show you in the moment of the trade. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. And as a special thank you to liking the videos and leaving comments, I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to it. This is a chart that we're waiting for. Now, I don't want to post this one just yet because I have others that I have alerts on. But this one looks really good. This one looks absolutely just... Now, the information that I posted in the group, here, we have this gray area. This is our lower zone. Then we have our gray area up here, our upper zone. And this is our range. So here's our zone, our range. It broke out of the range after 15 days of being in the range. Broke out of it just briefly. Re-entered it, then broke out again for about 5 days, re-entered it, and guess what it might do? Nobody knows, but I'm thinking it might do this. And if you wanted to, you could try to front run it. Right now, the coins are moving, so this might be a nice trade for you. Or to be safer, what I would recommend is just wait for this alert to go off. And we're actually going to set the alert as well. So let's go over here to set the alert. And that way the alert is at 0.4461. And when the alert goes off, then of course you'd have to adjust your stop loss. And this is our potential long between 4 and 5x. But if we go higher, then this goes down, maybe 3 to 4x. This would be the stop loss underneath the blue line, which is our anchored VWAP from our lowest point. These are our targets. Very nice risk to reward ratio. And again, this is a special thank you for watching all of my videos, joining the live streams, asking questions, posting comments. This really does help get the channel out to other people. Now, with that being said, this is very important. What is it? DeFi, layer 1, made in America, keyword, made in America, AI. Here's the market cap. Why is this important? Because this means it can move very fast, or going up or going down. So this is very important. I always put this on my charts and I let my members know the market cap. I don't see I don't see anybody really posting charts with market cap. To me, this is vital. This tells you it can move really fast, up or down. So just be careful. And a huge benefit of being in the group, we do move up our stop losses. So initially, when we enter this trade, our stop loss was here. Then I update the group. Stop loss was here. Update the group. Stop loss was here. And of course, we're taking profits on the way up. Now, since this moved really, really fast, I went ahead and notified the group. I would recommend taking profits. This is on the 22nd of April at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, just because we had a really nice run up and we might come down. And then who knows, we might do a lower high and then it just comes down, gets stopped out. So we do also post when to potentially take profits due to a nice run up. Then it started doing this number. And as it's doing this number and it's coming down here, we also posted for us to take some profit. I know it's been kind of messy, but we also supposed to take some profit on the 24th at midnight, because again, it just kept on going up and up and up. and then finally started rolling over. So we want to take our profit. Now, granted, we had two targets already, taking 50%. And what we do is we actually let the rest ride. And we just keep on going with our stop loss, keep on going up until it rolls over. And here we can see that we took some more profit, started going up some more. We end up moving our stop loss here. And then eventually we did get stopped out. And this was at 19%, 2 or 3x leverage. Do the math. And again, what we're doing, we're protecting our bag. We're moving up our stop loss, make sure that we get in profit as soon as possible, taking our targets. And then if it does start to roll over or it moves really fast, the group is updated. You get all that in this group. And once again, we don't post 10, 20 charts a day. And this is why it's really easy to move up these stop losses and update the charts, because we don't have 70 that we're doing a week. We have maybe 6, maybe 10 a week. And that's when the market's good, either up or down. And we didn't have any trades for, I want to say, a few days, 3 days possible, when we were in the chop of Bitcoin. You know, when we're doing this kind of choppiness, we weren't trading because we didn't have a definite area for longs or shorts. So again, I really do treat your money as if it's my money. And if you want to learn how to do all this, you know, do you have to join the group? No, you don't. It's just so much better if you do, because one, you have access to me and the other admins. But tune in every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 4. Share the content. When I get the likes, when I get the comments, it really motivates me to show you more and more and more. And my goal is to make money with you, not because of you. For that reason, I do not demand that you join this in order to learn. I show you every day. I show you every day how to do this stuff. I do thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Let me know what you liked in the video. Let me know what you liked in this video. Thank you so much. Take care.